A text record is used to hold some text information for a selected host name. You can put virtually any free text you want within a text record. The most common use for a text record is to store SPF or Sender Policy Framework records. SPF records allow administrators to specify which hosts are allowed to send mail from a given domain by creating a specific SPF record in that domain name system. They help mail systems identify if email is coming from a trusted source and filter out spam or messages pretending to be from your domain, which is called spoofing. This way, they will prevent emails from being faked to appear to have been sent from you. In your control panel, you can set a text record to your domain from the Domain Manager, section DNS Records. To set a new custom text record, click on the Add New Record button, then select the domain you want to set a record for from the hostname drop-down menu. If you want to set a text record for a subdomain, then fill in the subdomain of the selected domain in the empty field before the domain drop-down menu. If you want to set a record for your main domain, then leave the field blank. After that, choose Text for the DNS record type, then fill in the value field. You can put any text data of any type. Each word will be treated as a separate string unless one or more strings is enclosed in quotes. For SPF protection, the text value should look like the one on screen. Finally, you need to select a TTL value. TTL stands for time to live and refers to the amount of time that a text record from a certain host remains in the cache memory of the DNS server. If you are not familiar with this feature, we recommend that you stay with the default value. Finally, you can enable GeoIP. GeoIP, or geolocation, detects the location of a user and loads your site from the closest location to the visitor. When ready, click on the Add button. The change will immediately be reflected in our database, but generally DNS propagation takes from 24 to 48 hours to complete worldwide. Now you know how to add a text record to a domain or subdomain.